Chanda Chori skit in the parliament that has refused to die down because on Friday, Rahul Gandhi and two other MPs staged a Nukkad Natak inside the parliament complex, accusing the centre of failing to act on the alleged Ram Mandir donation theft. The parliamentarians enacted a skit wherein they dropped money into a donation box, while the independent MP, Pappu Yadav, dressed in a saffron robe, pretended to take the money out and put it into his pockets. This satirical skit has landed the parliamentarians in deep legal trouble because now a case has been filed in Varanasi against Rahul Gandhi, the independent MP Pappu Yadav and the Samajwadi Party MP Avdesh Prasad. Varanasi police and the police officials, after filing the case, have said that the case has been registered on a complaint by Sears, who alleged that the three opposition leaders had insulted Sanatan Dharm. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, the opposition has been raising the issue of Ram Mandir Chori multiple times, but this skit that was organized seemed to have crossed a line with an insult to the faith. What are the details of the FIR?
Well, yes, indeed, this FIR has been lodged against the Purnia's member of parliament, Mr. Pappu Yadav, and also upon the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as we have seen that how a skit was being organized by the opposition MPs targeting the government of India regarding the Ram Mandir donation embezzlement row. We have seen that how continuously a demand was being raised by the opposition parties that there should be a discussion within the parliament regarding this entire matter, and for that reason they were making this allegation that the opposition is not getting a chance to speak within the parliament, and that is the only reason why, as a mark of protest, this entire skit was being organized. However, the way in which they have represented this Chanda Chori row within the parliament, that has become a bit problematic for the opposition, because now an FIR has been lodged against these MPs. But on the other side, if we talk about the opposition voices which are coming in regarding this entire matter, we have seen that how the Congress party has labeled it as a political move on the part of the BJP and RSS. They were basically questioned the BJP leaders, stating that what about those incidents where we have seen that how a person wearing the costume of Lord Hanuman, he was dancing in a rally just in front of the BJP president Nitin Nabin. In fact, they have also showcased a poster in which Lord Ram was holding the finger of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They were basically raising a question that why the Hindu sentiments were not being heard when all of these incidents have taken place, or even when this Chanda Chori was being done in Ram Mandir, and why only opposition is getting targeted. In fact, the deputy leader in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, also held a press conference today in the national capital where he was being asked about this entire matter. He said that because the opposition is not getting a chance to speak within the parliament, and that is the only reason why a mock parliament was being organized by the opposition MPs, where they had spoken what they actually wanted to raise within the parliament premises. So all of these voices are coming in from the opposition side. They are not saying that they have done anything wrong. In fact, they are questioning the BJP instead, saying that this is a political move by registering the FIR against the leader of opposition.
All right, irrespective of the party, the question is whether Hinduism becomes an easy target. Stay with us, Niyamika. Like you mentioned, the opposition leaders have in fact hit back after the FIR over the Ram Mandir donation skit, with Akhilesh Yadav questioning why action was not taken against those who allegedly hurt religious sentiments. In fact, Sanjay Raut, Imran Masood, Kirti Azad, multiple other leaders have also accused the BJP of trying to divert attention from the Ram Mandir donation controversy.
और ये FIR किस पे लिखा रहे हैं अभी लोकसभा में? समाजवादियों पर, विपक्ष के लोगों पर, पप्पू यादव पर, अवधेश जी पर, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता उन पर। तो FIR इन पे क्यों नहीं हुई जिन्होंने हनुमान जी को इस तरीके से पेश किया था? उन्हें मजबूर किया, उनकी गरीबी का मजाक उड़ाया उन्होंने। जितने भी ये पात्र बनते हैं, कलाकार बनते हैं, वो सब गरीब घर के परिवार के हैं। उनका इसी से जीवन यापन होता है। समाजवादी सरकार बनने पर इन कलाकारों को सम्मान दिया जाएगा।
राम मंदिर चोरी का मुद्दा उठाना क्या अपराध है क्या? चोरी किसने की? बीजेपी के लोगों ने की। 1400 करोड़ का घोटाला हुआ है राम मंदिर में, और हमने ये मुद्दा उठाया संसद में और संसद के बाहर, तो हमारे ऊपर FIR लॉज होता है। शर्म नहीं आती है लोगों को? ये राम के लुटेरे हैं, राम को लूट रहे हैं।
राम मंदिर का इतना बड़ा इशू हुआ, चंदा चोरी का, उस पर तो एफआईआर कराने में इन्हें इतना टाइम लगा है? और मंचन तो सब चीजों का होता है, उन पे किस बात की एफआईआर कर रहे हैं भाई? किस बात की एफआईआर है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। आप चंदा चोरी हुआ है, ये तो सारा का सारा सामने आ गया, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता। और अब तो ये कुछ भी करें, इनका जवाब राम जी खुद देंगे। जो ये कर रहे हैं ना, इनका जवाब राम जी देंगे इनको।
पप्पू यादव ने तो बताया कि किस प्रकार से चोरी डकैती हुई राम मंदिर में, कि जो लोग वहां ट्रस्ट में बैठे हुए हैं, जो भगवाधारी हैं, जिन्होंने चोरी डकैती करवाई है, जो मंदिरों में बैठे गिनते हुए पैसे अपने भगवा कुर्ते में डाल रहे हैं, वही तो बताया है। अपमान कहां से हो गया?
So, Niyamika, the Congress party has been raising this issue, and clearly it looks like the other opposition leaders have also backed the Congress party and the other MPs in this, going on to say that the skit was organized because it was on the Ram Mandir Chori, asking what is the action that has been taken on the donation theft.
Well, yes, counter-attack is being made by many of the opposition leaders, in which they have stated that why no action was being taken against those who have been involved in this Chanda Chori at Ram Mandir, as we have seen that how not just the Congress party, but in fact the TMC, left, all of these parties have also responded over this matter, that why this FIR has been lodged against Mr. Pappu Yadav or even Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as they are basically stating that isn't it an insult to the Hindu sentiments, the way in which a person wearing the costume of Lord Hanuman was dancing in front of Mr. Nitin Nabin. Not just that, but in fact they have also showed the poster of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which Lord Ram is holding his finger. So all of these matters have once again been taken up by the opposition parties, including the Congress party, and they are saying that instead of acting up against the opposition leaders, they should first give an answer that why this Chanda Chori was being done and what kind of action has been taken by the government of India. They are basically stating that they haven't done anything wrong by organizing this particular skit within the parliament premises, as it was Pappu Yadav only who was showcasing that how this entire Chanda Chori was being done in Ram Mandir, and it is the responsibility of the BJP government to give answers to all the questions which the opposition parties are raising regarding this matter. So clearly it seems like in the next week as well, we can expect that the similar kind of protests are going to take place from the opposition side, because once again they are going to rake up this demand for having a discussion over this entire matter, and they are basically seeking a reply on the part of Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister regarding this issue.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, stay with us. We have more reactions coming in as well. The political attacks continue to escalate. Let's listen in.
वो जो गेरुआ कपड़े पहन के पप्पू यादव जी, जो 5वीं या 6वीं बार शायद सांसद हैं, निर्दलीय हैं, वो गेरुआ कपड़े पहन के मंदिर के लिए जिन लोगों ने उनको चढ़ावा दिया, आप उसका जिक्र कर रहे हैं। तो ये अब की जितनी रामलीला हो, इसमें जो भगवान राम बने या रावण बने, सब पे मुकदमा कायम होना चाहिए। एक वर्ड है लोकतंत्र में, डेमोक्रेसी में, मॉक पार्लियामेंट। मॉक पार्लियामेंट। तो जब अंदर नहीं बोलने दोगे, हमें अपनी बात नहीं रखने दोगे, तो बाहर तो मॉक पार्लियामेंट कितनी बार चली, सैकड़ों बार चली। और फिर गेरुआ कपड़ा पहनने के लिए अभी तो फिलहाल लाइसेंस की जरूरत नहीं। फिर अगर इससे अपमान हुआ है, भावनाएं आहत हुई हैं, तब ये भावनाएं 3 दृश्य में दिखा रहा हूं कहां थी। पप्पू जी का हिसाब करने के पहले ये लोग हिसाब अपना तो दे दें, मोदी जी अपना दे दें, उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी थे वो अपना दे दें, और पतंग उड़ाते हुए नरेंद्र मोदी जी दे दें। और जितनी रामलीला हो, उसमें जो जो गेरुआ कपड़े पहने, उसके खिलाफ भी मुकदमा कायम।
ये ऐसा है, ये बड़ी हमारी एक दुर्भाग्य है कि देश की राजधानी में, भारत की संसद के अंदर, उसके बाहरी परिसर में जिस प्रकार से एक भोंडा प्रदर्शन किया गया और 2 पप्पुओं ने मिलकर के जो वहां इस प्रकार से सनातन का अपमान किया, संतों का अपमान किया, उससे देश का संत समाज और हिंदू समाज बहुत ज्यादा आक्रोशित है।
So here is how the opposition is cornering the BJP over this, saying that there are multiple incidents where the BJP has also allegedly insulted the Hindu Dharm, Sanatan Dharm, going on to say that the issue is much bigger. It is about embezzlement in the Ram Mandir, and the BJP is trying to deviate from the real issue by filing an FIR or taking up this case. Rahul Gandhi has been named in this FIR, and so has Pappu Yadav. The BJP, meanwhile, has accused Rahul Gandhi, Pappu Yadav and Avdesh Prasad of mocking Sanatan culture in Parliament. Listen in.
कल प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पे जो स्वांग माननीय सांसद पप्पू यादव जी, अवधेश प्रसाद जी और नेता प्रतिपक्ष राहुल गांधी जी ने जो स्वांग रचा है संसद के परिसर में, वो विरोध नहीं है, वो प्रोटेस्ट नहीं है, वो सनातन संस्कृति का उपहास है, वो संत समाज का परिहास है और वो भारत की परंपराओं पर अट्टहास है। और इसीलिए हम आज FIR की मांग दर्ज करने की मांग लेकर यहाँ पर पुलिस थाने आए हैं और हमने शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र इस मामले की जांच की रिक्वेस्ट भी करी।
And well, from that controversy, let's shift our attention. Team India